Kani ketika batisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka orange nisan, lom so po niya fabricate shillong. Ka Pasteur Institute kalanang Jingpynkhreh Shaid banshna ya ka testing center na ka benta bantas yaki sampel jong kibreu ki bala suba bakilangat hau khanyang jingpang COVID-19. Hadu benta ke Jela Meghalaya yaki sampel latas bed Hanegrams Hospital Hamauding Diang. Nadu ba uniu khanyang jingpang ulayo banwanrong hakani ke Jela. Nadu ka khalai tereng menta banaya yong arajar arpo. Ka director jong ka Pasteur Institute DHSR ka Dr. N1 Swet hak jekran bat ka batisi TV kalai tu hadien baka ICMR kalale jurep yagane ka institute na ka benta banpo yaga corona testing center.
We don't gini ki lab ki bates kum ka pathology lab, kum ka microbiology lab, at ka biochemical lab. Ni ki clinical labs mo. Ti yaki ni ruk mentang ni yele ni pan ki tiar yaki bangin don ba nang ba ni la ban namar ba mentap i ke baja civil hospital kalong so busy. Actually, they have their own labs, but now all the samples they're sending this side. So we are asking for equipments, bangin lab and handle kata. So these labs also kung bakalong mentalong ki bun kampa. Namar takadaw ya kataru kaway. The kaway ka bangiya specifically yakani ka CSSD department. Kani ka central sterilization of and surgical central surgical sterilization department. Kani hajing shisha kade kum kampormen shwa like all the government hospitals, especially in Shillong, nile lut ka sterilization hangi. But hadien kung tu kala one over the years, but then nila don't know had like jongi hospital. For example, kum ka Ganesh Das, kum ka civil hospital, kum ka TB hospital, kini main hospital mo, kebetulan Shillong tinggal ale nak la kajong. Right, with this outbreak kabalong kumi, but then it becomes especially for civil hospital we're talking. So, and then you are also aware that there are corona care centers all over there. So, kan pahi ka situation ba, they will be sent aside. So, we are also empowering that department of us for now. Then the thirdly is nataray kalong ka is a blessing for the state in actually because ICMR kilawan le ka inspection hangni nakajingmut bakin bu ya katuka RT-PCR lab hangni ban test for this testing of COVID-19. So it's a blessing for the state. Yakatuting itang work out. The machine has come, the equipment has come, and now we are doing the renovate civil works for preparing the place, the existing building, and we are waiting for kami lab technicians. Actually, from the side of the doctors nilabyang, one is medical microbiologist, which we have, and pathologists, but we are waiting for the lab technicians, which definitely I think in a few days the government is going to appoint, and when those people are here, will be sent for training to Negrons that has been there, and after that I think we expect that in maybe 1-2 weeks we will be able to start the lab. As far as the equipment, RT-PCR machine kala ada kan, tambalong kampat install, nada kalalong ka place is ready. And then the people who will be going for training are coming back. They'll get the machine installed, and then they'll. Of course, we have to get a certificate from the ICMR. The government is telling Negrons from the Negrons microbiology lab into back in 1 year up, then like they'll inspect the place, they'll examine, but bakan bit kan dia nang ba yung certification naka ICMR bangin yo banstang gini. Ka approval ki stang naka ICMR we need before we function ngatrain don kami ka approval lani ka certification naki. So once that I think since they themselves have come and actually they are the people ki arrange kan kumnuban yan you'll get how to go about it, how to get the certification. I think they will be naman makikibalete. They will guide us and so that we will get the needful.